strings on, wand toys. Strings like this, they seem to be kind of new to them, not quite sure what to do with them. They reach for them and miss. Still working on their coordination. And down here we got, that's Flicker. And I think that one is Mustachio, if I'm not mistaken. And there we got Boots inside the house, working on a mouse. Narnia outside, working on Boots. And this one is Dust Bunny. And the other little gray one's taking a nap in there. Ooh, claws on legs. Hello. Hi. You got it? You play with this thing instead of my leg. Thank you. Oh, I didn't mean to take it from you. Ah! Ooh! Good. No. I got two of them. And I'm wearing capris. So some of those claws. Ooh. Hang on.